fam, welcome back to the channel. Now it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another community drive. So we started at the University of the West Indies front gate, and we're taking a drive into the Goldsmith Villa community and also Princess Alice Drive. That's a community that has a lot of, or usually have a lot of tertiary students residing in those areas. It's a bit cheaper than Mona Heights, so you have students that tend to live in Goldsmith Villa, Princess Alice Drive, that don't want to be on campus as well. It's next door to August Town, so you have your violence here and there. Even right here, looks like we're coming up to a police checkpoint for this community. Yeah, so that's a police checkpoint. Alright, so we take the right at Princess Alice Drive. So again, students live this side. It's right next door to the University of the West Indies campus, so it's very close distance for them to reach physical classes. And as usual, if any of you guys have resided in this area, grew up in this area, used to live in this area, know somebody that lives in this area, let us know in the comment section. So leave your comments. Remember to like. Remember, subscribing is free. Remember to share and also leave a comment. So we're gonna head down the hill. So this area is Goldsmith Villa. So not the most upscale community. And again, it's connected to Augusttown as well, but you have students that live in this area. So you can leave your comments. So for example, this building, three levels, 3 floors. A lot of students live over there. It's kind of like an apartment complex. They have to grill the entire area because, you know, a few years ago I had a friend that attended UE, and they literally took off the grill. He was on the 2nd floor, break into his room and other rooms as well, and you know, took out laptop and other valuables. Some very big houses around this side, nevertheless, multi-level. I guess the land is cheap, so they, you know, use whatever they save, you know, from the cheap cost of the land to build a lot of square footage, which they then rent out. So never recorded this side before, but just wanted to show you guys this side of town. Alright, so we're heading down the hill. So we see security forces present in this area. So to the right, about 10 minutes down would be Augustown. And then over here, it seems they're building like a small plaza based on how it's designed. Alright guys, so remember, leave your comments. Let me know your thoughts. Remember to like. This road is paved. Yeah, there was a time when it was very bad. Beside this community would be now Hermitage, which is between Goldsmith Villa and Augustown. So I'm just gonna spin around the front of Hermitage, and then I basically end the video there. You know, we know Augustown is not one of the safest places based on everything we usually hear in the news. So this is Escarpment Road, New Testament, right on the front of Hermitage. Escarpment Road runs through Hermitage, and then we have the Escarpment Road Basic School as well. Alright, so we'll turn right here. So again guys, remember to like, comment and share, and I'll definitely see you guys on another community drive.